Hey, what's up everyone? Wanted to hop on here and make a quick video about this chainsaw. And yes, what you're looking at here is a chainsaw. This is one of those tools that you have no idea it exists until you need it. So I'm going to show you here in the video in a second. I was actually trying to prune a tree that had a big dead limb, and I couldn't get to it with a pole saw because it was too high. So on a recommendation from a friend, he sent me a link to Amazon and he said, go buy this. This is a manual chainsaw. And I was like, dude, what is that? But this actually ended up working out in my favor. So what happens here is this actually you have two of these ropes. These ropes I want to say are about 20-ish feet long. They're quite long. You get this little bag, which I have actually subsequently filled with rocks. And then you also get this is a chainsaw chain. As you can see little tines and the little blades are on there. As you see that. And then they also give you a little file that you can actually sharpen the teeth with as it gets older. I haven't actually had to use that yet. And then you also get these little handles here that you can hold the end of the chain with. So you can actually basically you're going to wrap the chain around whatever log that you're going to try to cut. And then these little hooks go at the end of the chain, and then basically it's almost like a sawing motion with your other hand. Your two hands, and that's actually going to cut whatever log or branch or whatever. Now these guys here work great on the ground. If you're out camping, you want something to cut. All of this, if you take the rocks out of the bag, all of this kind of fits in the bag by itself. I just kind of keep this on a cart. But what I liked about this having the really long ropes is, again, I can basically take the here, let me go show you. All right, so we're here at ground level. And that branch all the way up there is what I cut off with the manual chainsaw. Basically what I did was that branch was coming all the way out over here. I took the bag, I can get this out. I took the bag of rocks and I basically just threw it up over with the chain, and the chainsaw attached. It came down. I grabbed I grabbed the other end of here, and I basically just kind of, pulled the saw until it cut all the way through, and then the dead branch came and fell on the ground. I didn't need a ladder. I didn't need a pole saw. I didn't need to call somebody. It was quite possibly the most convenient thing that I have ever used. I recommend picking up one of these.